How to delete your Reddit account permanently. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're gonna see how you can easily delete your Reddit account permanently. Now in order to do that, you first have to go ahead and open up Reddit. Once your Reddit is open, you can find your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once there, you just need to find settings. And once landed on the settings page, you can just go ahead and select account settings for your particular account. Tap on it. Scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find the option to delete account. Tap on it. And if you're sure you want to delete your account, you can just tap on yes delete, but you need to know what happens once you delete your account. Your profile and username are permanently removed from Reddit, and your posts, comments, and any messages are dissociated, not deleted, but it's going to be dissociated with or from your account. If you are sure that you want to, just tap on yes and delete, and then they will probably go ahead and ask you for your password, but as you can see here, the account is deleted permanently. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.